Hey guys, I'm Sean Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? You can probably tell my voice is not completely back yet, getting it back a little more every day. I had tracheitis for about 2 months. I could not talk at all. And so, I don't know, I just can't wait anymore. I just wanted to do a video. Can't quite sing yet, but I'll do my best. Here we go with You May Be Right by Billy Joel. All right, there we go. So, doing my best to talk and can't quite sing yet, but anyway, it's just great to be back doing some more videos. This one is great because it doesn't have any piano in it, really, but we're gonna make it that way, as you could hear. So let's get started. If you like these lessons, all of them are on WebPianoTeacher.com, along with downloading my sheet, but we'll get this part one here on YouTube. All right, so we have A in the left hand. I'm going to do an octave there. And then we have this little guitar riff, A G, A F sharp, A D E. So that's what it is. 6 times, okay? So the first, 4 times, not heavy, just left hand holding. Then the 5th time you hear the drums come in. So I like to start, 8th noting that left hand. Okay? So that's 6 times total. And for this one measure right here. Okay, so you'd have 1, 3, 4, then the singing starts. Now the guitar, this is kind of, it's just a rock and roll song, and for a lot of rock and roll stuff, piano will work for this. Kind of the slow blues thing that you hear a lot of times. So we're gonna modify this to make it work for piano. So I think it'll work for this, and a lot of things that you consider rock and roll that don't have any piano in them per se. You can try this little device, and it works pretty well, I think. So get back to the board. We have A and E on the left hand, F sharp on the thumb, and an E. So we're gonna do essentially this measure over and over again, 6 times. I like to use my thumb on the F sharp. Some people use their thumb for both. I think that's kind of not as comfortable for me. I like to use my thumb on the F sharp. Or some form of this. Actually play this twice. The point is 6 measures. 1, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and I'll put here A, 6 measures. This isn't really, I just wanted to show that I go back to the A when I go. But it's essentially A, the A chord for 6 measures. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here I was just showing that I'm going back to A from that G. So I know that may be a little confusing for you. Sorry about that. But it's 6 measures of this. 1, count to 4 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. It's hard to count and play. All right, so the left hand. On the right hand, I'm going to do A, C sharp, E, and I'm going to go. So I'm just playing the A chord. And then G, C sharp, E there, that gives me an A7. So see, slow motion, 1, 2. All right, so you don't have to do exactly what I have here. This is just a suggestion on this chord. All right, so 1, 2, and Okay, but whatever you do, it's 6 measures. So speed it up, 2, ready, go. Trashed it out again. So that's what's going to happen here. Okay, so let's take it from the top. And this is, not something that's incredibly easy at all. We're modifying it to make it work for piano. And you're going to have to take it slow, get that A chord down. That A chord is probably the most difficult thing to do. If you can do that, then you'll be able to play the rest of it, okay? So we're going to slow it down and try it all the way through. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. Then here we go. Singing. I think I did that 6 times. I don't know if I counted that right, but so when we get to the E chord, you're going to have this little, which is, you guessed it, is like this. Or sorry, it's just on an E chord. All right, so last thing, let's speed it up now. But again, you'll have to practice it slow a whole lot before you get it going. Sometimes even it's a little easier, I think, once you practice slow, to play it faster because it moves along. So you might find that as well, but definitely you have to put in the time on it, getting that A measure. All right, so here we go from the top. Faster. 2, ready, go. Singing. Oops, sorry. Don't do that. Don't hit F. Go to E. All right, guys. So it is great to be back. I'm a little rusty. I think this arrangement is very good. But, yeah, going to get back into it. Making lessons consistently every week now. So hope you guys enjoyed this part 1 lesson. See you on webpianoteacher.com. We'll do the whole thing. Talk to you later.